In this video, I'm going to show you how to import audio and video files into Descript, whether you're editing a podcast, creating a video, or just looking to work with audio and video content efficiently. Stick around until the end because I'm going to give you a special bonus to help you get started with Descript absolutely free. Descript is a powerful tool that allows you to edit audio and video like you're working with text. It's simple to use, and importing your files is the first step in taking advantage of everything it offers. Let's jump straight into it. To start, open up Descript. The first thing you'll see is your project screen, and it's easy to import your files directly into the software. On the top left, you'll notice the New Project button. If you don't have a project yet, click this to start one. If you're working within an existing project, you can skip this step and go straight to importing files. Once your project is ready, look for the Import button on the top right of your screen. Clicking on this will open up your File Explorer, where you can select your audio or video files from your computer. You can import multiple files at once, whether they're audio files like MP3s or WAVs, or video files like MP4s. Simply highlight the files you want and hit Open. Descript will quickly upload and analyze your files, and before you know it, your audio or video will be ready for editing. The cool thing about Descript is that it automatically transcribes your audio to text, so you'll see a text-based version of your content pop up right alongside your media. This transcription feature is a huge time saver, especially if you're working on something like a podcast or a video. Now, let's talk about editing your content. If you're working with video, Descript will also display the video on one side of your screen, synced up with the transcript. This makes it easy to trim, cut, and adjust the timing of both audio and video directly from the text. Editing is done by simply selecting the text and deleting or moving it around, and Descript updates the audio or video instantly. If you're looking to import files from different locations, like cloud storage, Descript also integrates with services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Box, so you can access your files directly from those platforms as well. This is a huge bonus for teams working remotely or those with files stored in the cloud. One last tip, don't forget about Descript's drag and drop feature. You can literally drag files from your computer into the Descript window and they'll upload in seconds. It's that simple. Before I wrap up, if you're new to Descript, I want to let you know that you can actually get started completely free through the first link in the description below. And if you sign up through that link, you'll get an extended free trial with exclusive bonuses. This is a great way to explore Descript's features without any commitment. So that's it. Importing audio and video into Descript is fast, easy, and gives you powerful editing tools at your fingertips. Don't forget to grab your free trial and explore everything this software has to offer. Thanks for watching and happy editing.